Welcome to English for Everyday Life, EP4. What do you do on the weekend? Hi, Tom. What are you doing this weekend?
Hi, Anna. I have some plans. And you?
I will stay home mostly. Do you go anywhere?
Yes, I'm going to the park on Saturday.
With your friends or family?
With my cousin. We like to play football.
That sounds fun. What time do you go?
Usually at 10 a.m. We stay there until noon.
Do you eat lunch there?
No, we go home and eat with our families.
What time do you wake up on Saturday?
I wake up at 9 a.m. I like to sleep in.
Do you eat breakfast right away?
Yes, I eat toast and drink milk.
Do you eat alone or with your family?
With my family. We eat together.
After breakfast, what do you do?
I read a book or play games on my phone.
Do you help your parents in the morning?
Sometimes I help clean the table. What do you do on Saturday afternoon?
I usually help my mom cook lunch.
That's nice. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy it. I like making fried rice.
Do you cook every weekend?
Yes, but only with my mom.
After lunch, what do you do?
I sometimes take a nap or watch TV.
What shows do you watch?
I like cartoons and cooking shows. Do you do any exercise on weekends?
Yes, I play football on Saturday.
Do you play with a team?
Just with my friends from school.
Where do you play?
At the park near my house.
What time do you start playing?
Usually at 4 p.m.
How long do you play?
We play for about 2 hours. Do you have a hobby you enjoy on the weekend?
Yes, I like painting and drawing.
That's great. What do you draw?
I draw animals and cartoons.
How long do you spend on drawing?
Maybe 1 or 2 hours.
Do you share your drawings with friends?
Sometimes I post them online.
I want to see your art someday.
Sure. I'll show you next week. Do you visit your grandparents on the weekend?
Yes, I visit them every Sunday.
Where do they live?
They live in the next town.
How do you get there?
We go by car. It takes about 30 minutes.
Do you stay there all day?
No, just for lunch and a short visit.
Do your grandparents cook for you?
Yes, my grandma makes the best soup. Do you ever go to the mall on weekends?
Yes, I go there with my mom sometimes.
What do you do there?
We shop for clothes or eat ice cream.
Do you watch movies there?
Not often. I prefer to watch at home.
Do you buy anything fun?
Sometimes I buy books or small toys.
Do you go every weekend?
No, maybe once or twice a month. Do you do any chores at home on weekends?
Yes, I clean my room every Sunday.
Do you like cleaning?
Not really, but it's important.
Do you help in the kitchen too?
Sometimes I wash the dishes.
Do you take out the trash?
Yes, that's my job every Saturday.
What do your parents do while you clean?
They clean the living room and cook lunch.
Do you ever stay in bed all morning?
Yes, when I'm very tired.
Do you use your phone in bed?
Yes, I watch videos and chat with friends.
Do you read books in bed too?
Sometimes I like short stories.
Do you wear pajamas all day?
Only when I don't go out.
Do you eat in your room?
No, I eat at the table with my family. What do you usually do on Sundays?
I try to relax and get ready for school.
Do you do your homework on Sunday?
Yes, in the afternoon.
Do you feel sad when the weekend ends?
A little, but I also like seeing my friends.
Do you go to bed early on Sunday night?
Yes, I sleep at 9 p.m.
Do you pack your school bag on Sunday?
Yes, I get ready before I sleep. Do you usually make plans before the weekend starts?
Yes, I usually talk with my family about what we want to do.
Do you write your plans down?
Sometimes I write them in my notebook so I don't forget.
What do you plan more, fun activities or chores?
I try to balance both, but I prefer fun things, of course.
Do you stick to your plan every time?
Not always. Sometimes something comes up.
What do you do when plans change?
I try to stay flexible and do something else instead. Have you ever gone on a short trip during the weekend?
Yes, my family sometimes goes to the countryside.
That sounds nice. What do you usually do there?
We walk in nature, take pictures, and eat local food.
Do you stay overnight or come back the same day?
It depends. Sometimes we stay at a small hotel.
Do you like traveling with your family?
Yes, we have fun and talk more than usual.
Do you bring your phone or try to unplug?
I bring it, but I don't use it much during the trip. Do you meet your friends on the weekend?
Yes, we usually hang out on Saturday afternoon.
What do you usually do together?
We go to the park, get some snacks, and just chat.
How many friends do you usually meet?
About 3 or 4. We are a small group.
Do you take pictures together?
Yes, we always take a group photo.
Do you talk about school or something else?
Mostly other things. We like to relax and laugh. Does the weather change your weekend plans?
Yes, if it rains, I usually stay inside.
Do you like rainy weekends?
Not really. I feel sleepy and lazy.
What's your favorite kind of weather for the weekend?
Cool and sunny. It's perfect for going outside.
Do you check the weather before making plans?
Yes, always. It helps me decide what to do.
What do you do if the weather is really bad?
I just relax at home and watch a movie or read. Do you think your weekends are similar to mine?
Some parts, yes. But I think you go out more.
Maybe. You seem to spend more time with family.
That's true. My parents like to do things together.
Do you wish you had more free time?
Yes, sometimes the weekend goes too fast.
Would you like to try my weekend routine one day?
That sounds fun. Let's do a weekend swap.
Okay. I'll follow your relaxing Sunday.
And I'll try your active Saturday.